Y'all ready for the weekend? Me too. Welcome to TriBecca Designs. My name is Rebecca and I love to sew. I love to upcycle. I love to design. I love to refashion. I love to make. And like so many of you, I just love to create. Happy Friday. This is another edition of Friday Sews where we talk about things that we have made, what we're currently working on, and life. So that's what we're going to get into today. So many of you can tell by the thumbnail, that we're going to be having some pillow talk. So what did you guys think I meant by pillow talk? Well, is it these kind of pillows? Girl, no. We're going to talk about my obsession with quilted pillowcases. Okay, so first I want to welcome all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Thank you for all the lovely compliments you gave me on my sewing space. If you didn't see the video, there will be a link in the description. I did a mini tour of my sewing room. And also, if you're stopping by for the first time, thanks for tuning in. So, I launched my channel just slightly over a year ago. And one of the first things that I wanted to focus in on making was clothing out of reclaimed materials from thrift shops, hashtag upcycling. And for some reason, I had a real strong desire to make quilted jackets. Jackets made from old quilts that I found in thrift shops, but I could not find quilts that I liked and that I was willing to pay for. Some of the prices were kind of extreme. So I found myself looking at quilted pillowcases and thought, this could make something really cute to wear. I mean, can you see it? So the madness began. I began collecting mounds and mounds of quilted pillowcases. I have some here I'm going to show you today. And consequently, I did fulfill my newfound love and mission for making garments from quilted pillowcases. So what I would like to do is talk about the things I've made from quilted pillowcases. Hence, we'll be having our pillow talk today. And stick with me on this. This may be a new idea or concept for some of you, but let me share some of the things that I've made, and then you can tell me if maybe you've been inspired to do the same. Okay, let's just get into it. I want to show you all this beautiful mini skirt that I made. If you look close, you can see there's texture there, made from a quilted pillowcase that I found. And this decorative pocket detailing was made from a tablecloth that someone did hand embroidered cross stitch detailing on. Isn't that beautiful? And then if you look at the back here, I took an old pair of jeans and did some little detailing with that. So I'm going to throw up a video of me styling this. Just so you guys can see it. If anyone is interested in the tutorial for this ensemble, check the link in the description box. There's a great video on my channel. I did a full video on that whole outfit. The blouse you see was actually, the sleeves on that were a pair of pants. I mean, there's a lot of upcycling in that video for anyone who may be interested, new to the channel, don't really, know about kind of like my current obsession, at least one of them. So that's that. I'm just going to move along really quickly because a lot of these are going to be repeats, but there will be some new items as well. So this is also a mini skirt that I made from another quilted pillowcase. Yes, my fancy, or not fancy, but popular. Well, not popular, but my go-to. That's it. My go-to lapped zipper here that I do in the back of the majority of my skirts that I make in this style. There's also a link in the description for how to install these. I think you may enjoy. So you can check that out also. But this was, the pocket detailing on this was actually a women's scarf that I thrifted. Remember at the beginning of the video, I said I love to upcycle. So this is all coming to play into the things I'm showing you guys today. There is a full tutorial on how to make this mini skirt also on my channel. A link for that is in the description box. And I styled it in one of my videos with this great jacket that I made. I'm so proud of this. This is another pillowcase. I told you guys we were going to be having some major pillow talk today. This little, what do you call this? Aqua? Blue, green, the seafoam. I don't know. It's just such a beautiful color. I love wearing this color. I feel so calm and peaceful when I wear this color. But this was a quilted pillowcase. And this, guess what this was? A curtain. Can you see the little grommets? Yeah, these are called grommets that you put your curtain rod through, and also a men's canvas like army style belt. It's a complete wrap jacket, has lots of great pocket detailing for your cell phone, and I put a pocket on the center back. This is back when we were still wearing our mask, and I had the coordinating mask that I wore with it. And the bottom also has some of the curtain detail. I will throw up a little video of me styling this as well. Can't you see the vision? I mean, you can make so many great things, all from quilted pillowcases, and I'm just getting started here. Okay, moving right along. I'm looking around because I got clothes all over the house. So I want to show you guys. I'm going to make this really quick. This is another jacket that I made from quilted pillowcases. Now, this pillowcase came with the blanket as well. So I was able to use the blanket to make the skirt, but the jacket, girl, look at here. Quilted pillowcases, and the great thing about them is a lot of times they have a lining already in them that you can use. So you've got your lining built into your pillowcase. The denim on this was upcycled off of another garment that I had previously. Here is, like, you can see like where this was like going down the front where you button, and I just did a little interesting detailing there. But I'm gonna throw up a quick little video of me wearing this as well, so you guys can see what beautiful things. And these, if you were wondering, do go through your sewing machine quite easily. All I use is a denim needle, and I put my machine on a setting for heavier fabrics. I never have to use a walking foot. Depending on your machine and the thickness of your quilt, you may have to. And so let's talk about that really quick. These are very lightweight quilts. These are not the super heavy quilt. The batting on these is fairly thin. So I do want to point that out. And these make really great garments for spring. And I'm going to carry this obsession into the summer months. I'm going to tell you guys about some of my plans here. But let me show you really quickly just a couple new pillowcases that I have purchased lately at the thrift store. Has anybody been thrift store shopping lately? I have. My earrings came from the thrift shop, 99 cents. I love these. They're so retro. Even my bracelet, this little wooden one right here, thrift store, 99 cents. Moving on. So you saw this beautiful brown. I'm going to make, okay, let me ask you all, how many remember the quilted military mama pants that I made? Or should I just say cargo pants? Well, I'm going to do something similar with this for the summer. I'm going to make a pair of quilted shorts. Yes, quilted shorts have been quite popular. I've seen these little cute ensembles made out of quilted materials all over the internet. And I gotta have me something cute made out of my quilted pillowcases to carry into the summer, just to show that it's not just for the cooler months. This fiber will work for making clothes all year round. So here is another set that I think is going to make a great looking pair of shorts. This has lots of beautiful color in it. And I also have this really cool looking sheet that I thrifted. Let me show you guys. Check this out. Isn't this delightful? Look at that cute little birdie. And these birdies are all over this. This is, I have a full sheet in this, but this is just the pillowcase it came with. And I thought, how cute to make like a pair of shorts out of this and some type of little summer crop top out of this. If that doesn't say hello sunshine, I don't know what does. So I hope you guys will come back and stick with me through some of these planned makes. I do have a lot of things that I have already made that I haven't shown you guys yet. I have been very busy. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4 completed garments, and then 2 over here that I have that I'm still working on that are almost complete. And I just can't wait to show you guys. But I will let me give you a sneak peek. Okay. Does anybody else like to upcycle? So upcycling is just basically when you take an existing garment or item, it doesn't have to be an article of clothing, and you repurpose it, you put your own spin on it, you give it a new life, a new use, or redesign it, or what have you. That's something that I really like to do in some of my makes. I am just kind of fascinated right now with how it allows me to be creative in new ways that I hadn't maybe thought of before. I mean, it's something that I've been doing all my life, honestly, the whole upcycle thing. But I'm just curious, does anybody else out there like to upcycle? Anyway, so it's still quite cold here in the Midwest. I'm talking like today, high temperatures is like 38 maybe. It's been like 32. And so we know spring is right around the corner, but for now we still need to wear jackets and coats and things like that, hats to keep us from getting sick. And so I wanted something fresh for the spring. So I am working on upcycling this puffer vest into a spring jacket. I did another video back in early October, I think, where I upcycled a puffer vest into a fall jacket. Check the link in the description box if you're interested in seeing the full tutorial for this one. But now I have this white one, and I want to upcycle this for a jacket that I can wear probably only for like another 2-3 weeks, because usually by early May it's pretty darn hot. But for now it's still cold. So just to give you guys a sneak peek, here is here is the pillowcase that I'm using to include in the upcycle with that puffer vest I just shown you. And I'm also going to incorporate some denim. So here's the sleeve. You can kind of see what I did here. I'll go into full detail on the tutorial that I'm going to drop on this, hopefully by the middle of next week. So turn on your notifications so when that is uploaded, you can check out the full ensemble. I'm telling you guys, this one is turning out to be magnifique. Okay, so yeah, I'm kind of excited about it. And friends, here is yet another jacket that I made from quilted pillowcases. This pocket detailing, this was a pillowcase. This, where you can see like the 3 different colors, this was a single pillowcase I split in 2. And then I, of course, added some denim to pick up the blue. And then on the back, it has this beautiful detailing down the center back. And then this white, this solid white pillowcase is a pillowcase too that I split in 2. So it's a good thing to that you can incorporate some of your other fibers into, just to give your garments a really unique look. I'll throw up a quick little video of how I styled this, and there's also a full tutorial for how I made this linked in the description box. So that's gonna do it for today. Was that enough pillow talk for you? Thank you guys for talking pillows with me. It was a blast. I can't wait to see you guys next week. If you liked the video, would you consider giving me a thumbs up? Holler at me in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, maybe you'd like to subscribe. And don't forget to be on the lookout midweek for the finished upcycle look that I'm doing. With that being said, I just want to leave you guys with one simple thought that comes from scripture in 2 Timothy chapter 6 verse 8, and it says, "But if we have food and clothing, let us be content with that." That's all. Thanks for watching. Peace and blessings.